Hello folks, now when we have seen how to create a bucket and how to upload a file, let's go and explore the properties of the bucket. So, in your S3 console, click on the bucket name and go to the properties tag. So you got here multiple properties. Let's start with versioning. Now what is versioning or what is version control? Suppose you've got a design document. You uploaded a design document on S3, but after some time, the document needed to be changed. So you got it updated on your system and then you want to upload it again on S3. Now you don't want to lose your old files, you want to maintain that as well as the new file. So basically you want to keep two versions of your file. That is where S3 provides you this versioning feature. So let's see if you enable versioning what happens. Just click on versioning, enable versioning and save it. Let's go back to our file. Now within my files folder I have got file1.txt. Now on our system, let's go and change file1.txt. Now this is the file that we have uploaded. So let's do some changes here. Let's write one more line here which says version 2. Save it and let's upload now on S3. Remember, I'm not going to change the name of the file. So upload, add files, select the same file that you have already uploaded, open, and I'm not going to change anything here, permission and properties, etc. Though you can do that, but I'm just going directly to upload it. Okay, I just uploaded the file, but I can see only one file here. So whether it's my old file or my new file has overwritten the old file. Let's check that out by clicking on the file. Now here, if you just go here near the name of the file, you'll see latest version. If you click on this arrow, you'll find that there are actually two copies of the same file. This one was updated at 1021 and this one was updated on 1054. Now you can see that if you select one, this link etc. are going to change. If you select the other one, this is a different link. So basically on S3 you have now uploaded two distinct files. By enabling versioning, you have allowed to upload another file with the same name. Having said that, these are two still very different files. All the properties of these files are independent of each other. The storage space that it is occupying, it is different. So even though there is just little change in both the files, the storage space occupied by these files is also different. So suppose you have got one file of 10 MB and you are just changing few lines and then uploading it again, then the total space occupied by these files would be 10 plus 10, which would be like 20 MB. So you're not going to get any benefit even if those two files are very similar and there is very little change in that. Both the files would be located here independently. It's just that visually you will be able to see them with the same name and at same location. Now you can keep uploading multiple versions of this file and it will just keep on creating new versions of those files. Once you have enabled versioning, you cannot disable it, you can only suspend it. So if you go here and suppose I don't want versioning anymore, then I can do suspend versioning, which means all my earlier versions that I have created for my file 1, they would still be available, but going forward, this feature would not be applicable on the new files. So I can just save it. That's all about S3 versioning. In the next video, we'll go and see the next properties. So see you in the next video.